Numerical patterns. Today, River and Flower are out in the forest with their friend the old forest man, watching him create new number games. The old forest man keeps putting specific numbers of blocks together. It's confusing for River and Flower, who are trying to understand the rules of the game so they can join it. They give up and decide to go back to the cave, knowing their mom, Sun, will probably help explain. Back in the cave, River and Flower ask Sun to bring the blocks on the table. They start explaining to her the game that the old forest man was creating earlier in the forest. Sun realizes the game was all about number sequences and numerical patterns. Sun explains that a sequence is an ordered series of numbers, but not a normal ordered series of numbers. They're ordered according to a particular pattern, in which things are ordered following one rule or many rules. For example, this is a sequence of numbers: 10, 15, 20, 25. These numbers are in a numerical pattern because they follow a rule. Look at the first two numbers. What happened to the first number to give us the second number? Correct! 5 was added to the 10. Then the second two numbers? That's right, another 5 was added. So we can say that the rule of this pattern is adding 5 to each number to find the subsequent number. There are two basic types of numerical patterns. We either add numbers, like in this sequence when we added 5. These are also called arithmetic patterns. Or multiplication, in which we multiply the first number by itself or by another specific number to get the next number. These are also known as geometric patterns. For example, in this sequence, Sun multiplies by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. And 18 multiplied by 3 equals 54. Patterns aren't only numerical. They can be any sequence of shapes or things. Sun is making a pattern of shapes now. And wants River and Flower to tell her what is the pattern there. Yes, simple. Circle, triangle, square, and repeat. Now that Flower and River understand the basics of patterns, Sun wants each one of them to create two patterns. One numerical pattern and one pattern using shapes, reminding them that they can follow any rule they want. Let's see what they've created. River's order of shapes is circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle. If we continued, the next sequence would be circle, circle, triangle, and so on. That can be considered a pattern, and his numerical pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8. He has created a sequence of adding 2 to each number as he goes along. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6, and so on. Now flower. Triangle facing down, triangle facing up, triangle facing down, triangle facing up. And the next shapes would be triangle facing down, triangle facing up. Good! And her numerical pattern is 3, 6, 12, 24. What's the pattern here? She has multiplied the first number by 2, then multiplied the answer by 2, then multiplied the answer to that by 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12, and so on. River and Flower like the game so much they want to play another round. Today we've learned that a numerical pattern or sequence is created when numbers or things are ordered following one or more rules. We've learned how to figure out the rule or rules in the relationship between each number and the next in the sequence. We also learned that the basic two sequences of numerical patterns are created by addition or multiplication.